Not feeling good about the default Robinhood graph? Let's switch up your view in seconds. First, open the app and log into your account. Now, head to any stock or crypto. You'll see a default line graph. To change it, tap anywhere on the chart and look for the little icon that looks like a candlestick. Tap on it to switch to candlestick view. You can also change the time frame at the top. Choose from 1 day, 1 week, 1 month and more. Candlestick view gives you more detail for active trading, while the line graph is perfect for quick glances. Do you prefer candlesticks or line chart? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.